You're watching my YouTube channel, The Mini Adventurers Official. Today's situation is unprecedented in Pakistan. It is 4th October 2024, the Day of Captain. As we approach the final moments of this political battle, the entire country has been brought to a standstill. Imran Khan's influence has sparked fear across the nation, leading to roadblocks and shutdowns. Motorways from Lahore to Islamabad have been sealed, with entry points blocked from places like Sargodha and Sheikhupura. The fear of Imran Khan is so intense that those in power are scrambling to maintain control. Despite deploying paramilitary forces, rangers, and police, the fear of what's coming next looms large. I'll share all the exclusive details about the preparations on both sides, the overnight developments, and what is expected in the coming hours. The internet firewall has been activated, and disruptions may occur at any time. Please like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for all the breaking updates. Stay connected to hear the latest on the political situation, what's happening on the ground, and what the future holds for this nation. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and exclusive content.